Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing advanced soybean oil refining equipment. The company boasts years of experience in the industry, ensuring that their machinery meets the highest standards of performance and durability. Their product range includes degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization systems, all tailored to meet the specific needs of various clients. Each piece of equipment is engineered with precision. What sets Henan Zhongrui apart is its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company offers comprehensive after-sales services, including installation support, technical training, and maintenance guidance. This ensures that customers can operate their equipment smoothly and efficiently from day one. Moreover, Zhongrui's team of experts continuously researches and develops new technologies to enhance the functionality and sustainability of their products. For businesses seeking to expand or upgrade their soybean oil refining capabilities, Henan Zhongrui Machinery provides a one-stop solution. Whether you are a small-scale processor or a large industrial operation, their customizable options cater to diverse requirements. By partnering with Henan Zhongrui, you gain access to state-of-the-art equipment, expert advice, and long-term support. In summary, if you're looking for a dependable and forward-thinking partner in the soybean oil refining sector, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co.